Alright.
Oh, and hello, people. How are y'all doing? Like and subscribe right now.
You heard her, folks. You cannot deny the child. Thank you.
Round number 4.
I said bye, Papa. Sally, be careful.
Alright, you guys can head all the way to the back of the raft for me.
Y'all two get in.
Yeah, this is it.
Sit.
All right.
Maybe we should have spread. You think we should have spread out a little bit?
That's fine. No, we have
Oh
other
no, we
people.
got other people coming. Okay. Still got people coming.
They all have ponchos on.
Yeah. Oh well.
They were prepared. Do they have heaters after this, Finn, or no? Do you have heaters that you can rent?
No.
No.
Friends on my left here, can I have you all click on that loose orange tab for me?
Wait, that
And then for the hers one last time?
Sally's cutting more.
Perfect.
Yeah, Sally's gonna cut.
All right.
What Finn's laughing about?
He's just excited.
He's just excited.
Oh, I love this ride. This ride's awesome.
First ride, but I do agree, let's do it finish way so we can dry off. It's still the middle of the day.
What?
I agree to ride this because it's the middle of the day.
Get ready.
Well, it's not an immediate drop. Finn, this is perfect. Look, no.
I don't want my new shoes to be wet.
Sally, you got it, Finn. You should not have come on this ride. I don't want my new shoes to be wet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I got tired.
Oh, wait.
Get ready for the drop.
No, not a drop yet. But also, they added a cherry blossom tree.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, get ready. It's going down. We're yelling.
Get ready. It's fine.
We're good, baby.
All right. No turning back now, Sally. Too late. We're on it. Get ready to get soaked. This water's gonna be so cold, man.
This water is gonna be awesome.
It's gonna feel so good.
We'll see.
Sally, it's gonna be boiling hot water.
Nuh-uh. You okay, Sally?
Yeah, that's the biggest drop.
Sally. Zion, hold Sally.
Don't worry.
Y'all alright, y'all got this. Oh, inhale that booger, dude.
Don't worry.
Zion.
Zion, snip up.
Sally, don't worry.
Oh. Hold Sally. Hold Sally so she doesn't fly out.
Good,
Don't
it's
worry.
fine.
I got
Ain't
you.
going nowhere.
Eh, still. Oh, we're getting close.
I got you. Don't worry.
Oh, here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ah, no! Ah! There we go. All right. Hold on, Sally. The ride's not over. No, it's not. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No.
I
Ready?
It's like my toe.
Oh, Sally, get ready.
Keep your feet up.
Woo! Ah!
Oh, duck it.
Ah! 5 in. Sally, you're not gonna lose your first tooth on a.
Lose your first tooth on the ride.
Oh, it's over.
Oh, Lord.
I agree.
Sally, ride's over, basically.
Ride's over. First ride accomplished.
Yay!
It wasn't too bad.
Ah! Ah! No, we're going to Mount Everest next.
No!
Yeah.
You're coming!
Oh!
So listen, if you're scared, when you're in the queue, the suspense is killing you, but when you actually ride the ride,
It's a lot of fun.
it's so
Oh.
fun. That happens to me every ride I ride.
For the first time, at least.
No, not for the first
Well,
time.
every ride,
Like, I
yeah.
was excited to come on this one.
We have buckle!
No. That was fun.
It's sad though that the older you get, the drop becomes less and less fun. Because for me, when I was Sally's age, that was a straight down 70-foot drop for
Yeah,
me.
it felt like a huge drop. Yeah, but we were basically backwards. Yeah, y'all were usually backwards.
I got sideways.
Was that fun?
I got the best one.
And my shoes didn't get all wet, so that was the best part. Didn't get that bad. Mine didn't either. And my pants are super soaked.
Eh. Mom.
En efecto, me cayó ahí. Pero cuando pegó así de frente y cayó todo aquí.
Stay seated, guys. Stay seated. Thank you. You are okay to unbuckle, but stay seated.
Yes, ma'am.
But stay seated. Don't get up.
All right, Rapid, go ahead and stand up. You're going to go this way for me. Watch your step, please. Okay.
You and Sally get out first.
Guys, watch your step. Right behind you.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Woo! You enjoyed it? Also, YouTube videos don't usually show the walkout cue, so I'm doing that right now.